What's up, everybody? I'm G Moody, and today we're downtown. Today we're here at the 12th annual Downtown Media Car Show.
Yeah, can you just stand?
Gotta get it. All right, let me get my bag. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm G Moody, and you're watching Downshift 215. Today we're here at the 12th annual Media Downtown. That's not what I'm supposed to say. Hey everybody, what's up? I'm G Moody, and you're watching Downshift 215. Today, we're downtown media at the 12th annual Antique Car Show. Let's check out some of these nice whips, but before you do that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So we're just about not even 5 minutes into the show. We're seeing a lot of nice, beautiful cars. I mean, done to the T. Right here, we got a 305 Camaro SS, baby. If they don't say SS, it ain't a super sport. They got a chrome alternator on here. It's really clean. I like the simplicity, and it looks like they drive this car too. That's what makes it look. That's what I like about these cars. People who actually drive, he definitely drives this because he has the seat cover on it. And it is that nice or what? All original. All original. Like the little cracks and seams like that. I like that stuff. It gives it character. So Jay-Z and Beyonce and Bonnie and Clyde had this car right here. This is your 1960 Corvette. Not many of these are looking good like this. You got that super interior right here, you feel me? Drop top ride with your lady. Me and my lady riding drop top, you know? Hair blowing in the wind. Back with G Moody. I got my cousin Deuce here with me. Yeah, you know what I mean? If I haven't told you already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, click that notification bell so you can be part of the notification gang. I want y'all to see this right here. Yeah, it might fly away just sitting there. Bob Still Racing, y'all did a great job with this one. Oh my gosh, look at the speakers in the back.
Yeah, that bass probably crazy.
This joint is definitely knocking with the JL12s or
carbon
10s.
fiber
Look like
spoiler.
12. Carbon fiber spoiler. Carbon fiber inserts in the head, in the lights, and the carbon fiber diffuser with the exhaust. Carbon. This joint is doing numbers. Carbon fiber steering wheel with the bloody red interior. I mean, goodness, and the top is in the trunk. Look how big that brake is.
Yeah, that joint stopped immediately.
It's just peekabooing right now. It ain't showing the whole motor. It's just giving you a little peekaboo. Carbon fiber heaven.
That's carbon fiber. That's me.
Dub life.
My God, look at the wang.
Somebody look at this. This wang. This called Downforce right here. And I like this little Punisher logo. That's
dope. Got the wide body.
The wide body. Look at the hips on this thing. The hips on this joint right here is vicious. You're gonna comment below right now and tell me what you think is the best car that we've showed so far. Right now, I gotta say the Corvette gang down here in media are killing it right now. They got it on Smash right now. It ain't even a game. For real,
on the beam.
Another Mighty exclusive.
Make sure you do what?
Subscribe and like.
I just want to say thanks for tuning in. Once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. It's like right there, one of them places. And be part of the notification gang so you can stay tuned to Downshift 215 each and every day. Until next time, stay tuned. I'm G Moody, and this is Downshift 215.